Hi to all lovely ladies. Welcome to the channel, Fashion Diva. This video is all about your feet. In this video, you will find 5 easy steps of pedicure. 1. Remove old nail polish. Clip your nails and file them into your desired shape. Then massage your toes and nails with cuticle cream. 2. Fill a tub with warm water and add Epsom salt, lemon juice, shampoo, essential oils, and smooth pebbles. Set comfortably and soak your feet for 10 to 15 minutes. 3. Scrub the skin using the pumice stone or foot file. Remove the cuticle cream. Scrub your nails and wipe the feet. Exfoliate with a foot scrub. 4. Massage your feet with a suitable moisturizer for 10 minutes to stimulate nerve ending and enhance blood circulation. 5. You can make your toes look more beautiful by putting on nail polish or doing nail art designs to brighten the overall look of your nail. I hope you like the ideas, which I explained step by step for caring your feet. So please like, share, and subscribe.